All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be breaking down this trade right here. This trade gave me my next sort of payout, my next big payout, which was 131. And yeah, this was just an absolutely beautiful trade, and I had to break it down at some point. So yeah, here we go. Welcome to the breakdown. Getting to this one. Ooh. Going to AUD CAD, right? I always try and start from the daily time frame because it gives me an idea of where the market is and where the market wants to go. All right. So when we look at this one, simply, what can we find? We can basically see that the market is bullish overall. We have some equal highs here. And this is really, really good for us because if we have equal highs here, that means there's people that are selling here. If people are selling here, then that means they have their stop losses above here. So there's a reason for market to move up. All right. That makes me feel like price should move up. Now, contradictingly, that's probably a better word to use. We do have some equal highs, equal lows over here. Now, if you're asking me, hey, Rugved, if we have equal highs and there's stop losses above here, doesn't that mean there's going to be stop losses down here as well? And yes, you're absolutely right. There will be. But this is where you have to understand how market structure works, right? Market structure overall for me is bullish. From what I can see, overall, prices are going higher. So does that mean prices will come down? Potentially they will, right? There's no guarantee. But I just feel like with what we're seeing currently, there's a higher chance that the market moves up compared to the chance that the market moves down. Easy, that's it. Just looking at market structure, you can decide your direction, and then you can look at where liquidity is based on the direction that you're trading in. That's it. Now, on the daily time frame, this is where the trade was, just for your reference sake, right? What we basically saw was price came into a demand zone. If I go to this time frame here, the 4-hour time frame, we can essentially see that price came into the demand zone and we had a nice bullish move towards the top. This is where we can essentially see price is creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. I think this is a higher low, higher high, and then this is another higher low that's being created. This is where I took the trade. I'll break it down for you later. Right, this is essentially where we took the trade. Now, what's the first thing that I tried to spot? The first thing that I tried to spot was, where is our zone of interest? And once price comes here, what are we actually seeing from the market? I'm not just blindly entering here. Once price came here, I was looking for a change in momentum. We had a lot of bearish momentum here, and now we're seeing bullish momentum enter the market. We saw that these highs here, they both got taken out with this bullish move here, right? Let me delete this now so I can show you the lower time frame entry that I had. Where are we? Yes, here. So this is the 15-minute time frame. So every single candle is worth 15 minutes of data. So what we had was price sort of surged up and then it started coming down. And this is where we had a nice sort of sweep of this liquidity here. All right. We also had some minor levels get taken out, but we mainly had this level of liquidity sweep here. And what did price do? Price basically closed down very hard. This is a big blue candle, which is equivalent to a red candle. And then what do we have? Did price keep crashing? No, it reclaimed that level with a lot of strength. All right. That's what increased my confidence in the market. Like, oh my God, okay, I think we're ready to finally move up. So I just had my entry at the 618 as per usual. I could have gotten a better entry, but again, I'm just sticking to my process here. And yeah, I think I had a 10 pip stop loss. and I was essentially aiming for liquidity. Now, this is where I almost got carried away, but I didn't. In terms of liquidity, I was looking for the higher time frame liquidity that I had marked out before, right? Do you remember this level of liquidity that we had marked out? This is what I was aiming for. But as you can see, price never actually got there. And I'm glad that I took profits, because at the end of the day, it's important for me to secure the win as opposed to just securing some quick profits, right? We saw that the price was here, and yeah, we basically had these levels of liquidity get taken out. We had some minor equal highs here. We got those taken out, and then at around 5 o'clock, between 3 to 5, I just decided to take profit. I'm like, I get a really good risk to reward ratio. I don't have to worry about anything. I'm all good. Let's just take profit here. So that's what I ended up doing. Easy trade, got me a nice payout, and yeah, pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the way it turned out. Let me see if I can find the payout for you guys. There we go. That was a payout there. Hope that made sense, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.